If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter Authservice error 7, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This error usually comes from a session problem, a browser issue, a suspicious connection, or sometimes a temporary account restriction. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it yourself without needing advanced tools or complicated steps. Before we get into the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to check is your network connection. Error can happen when X detects a blocked, unusual, or restricted IP address. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely and try again. VPNs can sometimes trigger login verification problems, so disabling it is one of the fastest things you can test. If you're on a school Wi-Fi, office network, or any connection with heavy filtering, switch to a different network if possible. A mobile hotspot is often the easiest test because it gives you a fresh connection and helps you see whether the problem is related to your current network. Once you've checked the network, the next step is to try logging in using Incognito or private mode. This is important because your normal browser session may be corrupted or holding on to broken cookies. Open Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or your preferred browser, then launch a private window. In Chrome, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N. In Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Then go to x.com and try signing in again. If it works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your browser data rather than your account itself. If Incognito works, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and the cookies. This is one of the most common solutions for Authservice error 7 because old session files can conflict with X's login process. Open your browser settings, then go to the history or privacy section and choose clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time or everything. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then clear the data and restart the browser. After that, go back to X and try logging in again. This simple reset often removes the bad session data that causes the login loop. If you're still stuck, the next thing to try is resetting your password. Sometimes the stored login session and your account credentials get out of sync, and creating a new password can refresh the authentication on X's side. Go to the X login page and click Forgot Password. Enter your username, email, or phone number, then follow the reset instructions that are sent to you. Once you create a new password, sign in again using the updated credentials. Even if you already know your password, changing it can force a fresh authentication session and clear the error. If none of those steps work, your account may be temporarily locked, limited, or restricted. In that case, you'll need to submit a support request through the X Help Center. Visit the official help page, follow the prompts, and complete any appeal or verification form that appears. If your account is flagged as locked or suspended, X may ask you to provide some details before they review it. Fill everything out carefully, submit the request, and then wait for their response. This may take some time, but it's the best option if the issue is coming from the account side rather than your device. One extra tip. If you've tried several times already, avoid rapid repeated login attempts. Sometimes that can make the situation worse by making the system think there's unusual activity. Instead, take a short break, clear your data, switch networks if needed, and then try again calmly. So to recap, the best fixes for x.com or Twitter Authservice error 7 are: turn off VPNs, test a different network, try incognito mode, clear your cookies and cache, reset your password, and contact X support if the account appears restricted. In most cases, one of those steps will get you back in. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and practical how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.